Do you want to add caption in Facebook Reels? You can put a caption on Facebook video with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a caption on Facebook Reels. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the Reels icon or select Create Reel from the Reels section on your feed. Now, either record a new video or upload an existing video from your gallery. After selecting or recording the video, you'll be on the video editing screen. Here, you'll find the text option on the right side of the screen. Tap on it to add a caption to your video. To add a caption in the description, tap the Next button. Type your caption or message under the description box. You can also add hashtags here. Once you're happy, tap the Share Now button to publish your video.